Yeah, man. Greetings in the Rastafari name. You know, see. You don't know. You know, I man want to make some posts. I man did want to make some posts today, actually. Man them to feel the vibes. You know, really and truly, I'm gonna watch on a lady and argument them. You know, enough respect. And you know, only attributes to the ladies them where subscribe to the channel, seeing, and I make them comment. Mad love and respect for no man. You know, see, wanna give me the strength. Seeing? Now I'm on respect. I'm an woman friend them, you know. Any woman can attest to that, you know. Enough woman friend me have, you know, through my time. Possibly one of the reasons why I'm alive till today. Enough woman respect me. Love me probably more than man. Big up yourself, Sharon Chantillo. Big up yourself, Andrea Farbs. Anyway, you're there in the world, mama. Anyway, you're there, mama. You know, see it? So, when I watch the woman video, man, you know, see, I said, John, no. Enough things the lady go through. Can't we there, I watch another thing again, where I like the thing what she doing at the church. I play that phone too. You know what I mean? Seeing, I'm holy for man, I say she look boss. Pastor Vex, Christian Vex. Christian can't vex about that, man. You see, a character she give young girls. A song that give enough young girls strength at the time when it come out, you know, make them know, say, yo, not because a boy I say him want it, if you give it. If you give it up when you're ready. That's something teach my daughter. You see, and enough time you teach you pick and you pick them not really, you know, observe what you are saying. You know, see, more time them go out there and them see it at the popular folklore or the popular place. Just like that, she go in a dance hall and hear another woman. I see, now much young girl goes up and join themselves and say, but wait, I'm not like that, I tell. The right way that, you know, see. So, pastor and Christianity or morality can't have anything against that. You know, see, they're just some little loose people with just have a mouth to talk and a keyboard in front of them with some words on it. You know, see it? What I think if keyboard it's still like the phone them back in the day where you have to dial 1, 2, 3 times the same thing, forget one word and all them things there. Someone don't even bother with it because that's gonna be too complex phone. You know, see? But much respect and mad love for Lady Ann. You know, see? Because you're stalwart in the business. Them can't say you're barren up now, you try to look at boss. You boss already, much years you boss. You boss before woman even start attempt for things that something this them can't do. You boss when it taboo. Are you boss it? Are you make people know so them can't boss? You see? Them they ever realize that a woman like you make man like Shabba Rankin could have go sign contract and you know to the extent where him go. You know see it? Enough of them money in the system where exploit the woman them along with the industry. Forget call out and shame. Because enough of them are living in some little sort of way, you know, with some, you know, see them. Yeah, I mean, are your business and are your abuse, are you suffer, ladies. Talk about you can't suffer with it alone, man. You know, see, them things that cause added stress. You know, see, when they let them things there for your mind, they give your mind extra space for think about other things. You know, see it and help create. You know, see it. Anyway, listen to that video here and make we have a little more chat after. See? More blessed. The video now, I mean, a presentation is not too long still because you don't know. Like me I say, on the subject matter and when I talk about the abuse a woman and something that sits sweet with me. Or something where I can see like and just bypass the thing. We have daughters and whole heap of sisters. See you in a minute. carry our own band going to the church. Or the band did in there already. Because that's usually the case. Them man they play the band like them and lady and research. A dance all that them a mix. I don't think a lady and influencer teach them that in a short space of time when she and them meet. Let me say again. Even if she carry her own a band. She not have to ask permission. And a lady and a dancehall artist, what she carry a band come in there come do? If you have to give her, it not make sense. Someone just come in like some idiot thing that you just jump on the woman back. No. What kind of idiot thing? What, I mean, we never see the necessity of that either. That concern. You understand what I say? Fact should have been in the church. They didn't even come out and say I idiot thing she keep up. People are Jamaican or reggae people should have dancehall people come out and condemn and make them know say I idiot statement that them make. You know see it? I don't understand. Make the people them complain on a bad mind, on a mind turn up some man. You know see it? You know? You see, may I have to mention our abuser she got through. Because essentially that's why. But there I saw the video. You know see it? I really want the video should be happy and jollificating and celebrate the life of a legend. Living legend. You know see it? But really and truly, so the thing that when she got through, I tell you man, I truly don't want to incriminate my blood clot self, yeah? Yeah. Mama sound vibrant and strong, same way energetic. You get what I say? And I do I think. See now when I interviewed them, she said, when I picked me at 40, you know see, just goes to show the resilience of Jamaican women. Because the thing that where the industry put her through, including you boy scientists for Upper King Tubbies. You know see, it's totally unacceptable. You know see, and that's why you try call her, because you try soften her. Because you yourself aware of the ramification of your action. Look here how long ago that was. You know see, you and she's still alive. And she's still there for be the necessary evidence where it need to pursue them sort of assault from a female hero them. You know see, because the woman them create an art form where actually transcend. The woman them help create an art form where transcend language. When DJ them tell us when them got Japan, the Japan people them must sing them lyrics. Them don't know no other English, but them must sing the lyrics I mean on the song. France, same thing. Germany, same thing. You know see, it transcends languages, borders and boundaries. We might not live to hear or see the accolades where the art form get or deserve forget. You know see, because you don't know it's a black thing. See? But I know the potential, the ability and the you know see, yeah. See? So without any, you don't know, no disrespect and a long thing. See? Pay homage to the people that must set the foundation, you see, and in turn dignify on yourself, on your own characteristic, on your own existence. You know see, because you never know which day the car, you don't know finance and the music. You have people in the music business, the people that want to have to deal with, understand finance far advanced, far better than you. You know see, you never know when you might find yourself in a position like that, because you're still in a birthing stage. The guy them where they teach you the music, the old robber them, the old pirate them from back in the days, the old pirate producer them, the old dirty boy them. You know see, them not teach nobody, no skill, no tactics. Them stagnate the music and stagnate full growth and development to the point where it is today through them said selfish attitude there. You know see, so I have to make the change, make the transition, make the music grow. business wise. Listen to some of the things that Buju Banton say. Now because people say me and in favor, but the thing is him go away and him spend some time in a prison where him extend some in knowledge in the art, the music, the business side of the music and them type of thing there. You know, see it. Listen to you like DeMarco, one of the least selfish Jamaican artists me ever come across. I'm going to thank the Lord for him, because one sometimes is good enough, you know. Whereas for him, the extension of for him, talent, or through him, it's like him have, you know me I say, him practice different level of the music. Seeing? Yeah, him skill in a whole heap of different tactic of the music, or different part. You know, see? Yeah. Seeing? So, yeah, you listen to you like DeMarco, youth and you. You know, see? And no disrespect, me I don't know in the same class and them sort of sitting there with money. You know, see? But with experience and them thing there, vast. You know, see? Now, if none of you no say you do Jada Kingdom, them thing there, or she have them secret there for boss, too, but uno, run. Yeah, run. Sin, yeah, without fear or favors. Yeah, run. Big up yourself, Chance here. Big up yourself, Mama Spice. I hope you don't take no offense to anything that I've said in my video then, because I don't mean any offense. A lot of time I come across with passion. Most of the time it's passion. Seeing? And passion can be construed as ignorant or violence at some point by some people. You know, people will use it and claim say that them thing. You know what I say? Yeah, so we never go in the part of the politics. But big up on yourself, ladies. All the ladies them on the channel, man. You know, see it. Mad love phone, man. I love on the company. You know, see it. Continue comment and thing like that. I love on the presence. See it? Mad love. You know, see it. Like if you have a little business that go on and thing like that. Yeah. Because them thing I will stay up on the medium. You never know when somebody might hear it. 10 years from now, 2 years from now, and I hate to hear benefits. You know, see, because that we're there for, you know, we're not there for be selfish. We have to be an example to where proclamation. You know, the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty. Enjoy, you know, weekend. Rastafari.